Got a 1971 914 right behind me. This second of my favorite po man's Porsches. The 912E, of course, being my favorite. If you follow this channel, you know it's my albatross and has been so since I was 14. Quick little history tidbit about the 914. Well, it was the successor to the OG 912. All right, it is one of the po man's options for Porsche. They teamed up with Volkswagen. You had the 914 with the 4 cylinders, and then you had the 914-6, which they didn't make too many of them. We do have one on a lift in the shop currently, but pretty fun, pretty cool little cars. We are gonna take this sweet little car for a ride. The 914s, like I said, have always been a favorite. I used to watch these when I was a kid, just tearing up shop at SCCA and PCA events. They're fun. They got a 50-50 weight distribution, and they're just like a good drive. So let's do it. Let's also need to do the cold start, right? You got to be of a certain height for the 914. Oh, it's got literally a just interior is still so nice, so glorious. It's really nice when the seat goes up. Little cold start here in the 914. Tell you what, you got to be a certain size for this car.
At what point do we put on our seatbelt?
Huh?
At what point do we put on our seatbelt?
I gotta close the garage so you can put on your seatbelt then. Yeehaw! Remind me to never run inside the annex again.
Some slippery spots.
I just busted, but that's all right. Well, that's okay. At the moment, I can fall with grace. Where is my seatbelt? Be a nice little drive today. All right. Well, let's do it. We got brakes. Got all those important things.
There you go.
Tell you what, once you don't have brakes one time, it's a constant fear. A little PTSD going on with it.
Well, whenever you get into a strange car, you definitely want to check that out right away.
Well, remember I was gonna take the Speedster out, and thank God I figured it out before we really got just to the end of the drive, and then I was like,
Wait,
beep,
what?
beep. And I was like, okay, we're not stopping here whatsoever.
Trying to see the instrument panel, but it's too much
Get a little
glare.
heat. All right, come on, Tesla. There. Honestly, these are one of the funnest little cars. There's not much better than quick little spin in South Texas. I know I did. It's a Friday morning and it's starting off really nice. Like I said, these cars are a really good time. They're just a playful little drive. And I mean, you can't beat a 914 in some kind of Skittle colors. You know what I mean? This is a 1.7 liter flat four. You know, the old V-dub engines. It's a good car. So I'll see y'all next week with another video.